Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So as you can see from the title of today's video, we are going to be doing a DIY vanity setup. And just from looking at those first pictures, you know that desk was not cute. But I had a vision and I decided to paint it white. I don't have any clips of that because I didn't know that I was going to end up filming this. I just really liked the way it came out and my lights ended up dying on me. So I was like, okay, now that I have to replace them anyway, might as well record a video. So here I'm just clearing off my little station. We're going to be giving this a super wipe down because as you can see, it needed it. It got really dirty, so I'm just gonna clean this off really quick. And this was not enough. I had to hit that with some bleach. I just didn't get that on camera, but that got it right. And those little warp spots are just because I sat my wet glasses on there and forgot a coaster, so it did what it did. But anyways, now I'm just cleaning down my mirror. This is kind of counterproductive. Like maybe just get those lights off first if this happens to you, because I found myself having to wipe it down a lot, but that's okay. And so now moving on to the unboxing. I got these, I think it's Sinead lights on Amazon. They were like $30. And just to give little price points, like that mirror I actually got off of Facebook Market and it was only 15 bucks. And the desk, I wanted like a really large one, and that was really hard to find, like that kind of size with the storage I was looking for. So that's why I got the funny looking brown one. And I knew I was gonna paint it, but I got that off of Facebook Market as well. And it was only like 50 bucks. So the total for this little project was like the desk, the lights, the mirror, like $95. So that was like a perfect little, you know, like you don't want to break the bank, but you just want your little vanity setup. It's cute. But yeah, here I'm just getting the lights off, which was a struggle, by the way. If you can't tell, like they did not want to come off, but I did it. And now I'm just placing them back down. I did like a rough estimate because when I first did this, I was like measuring and being all, you know, perfect about it. And it was like, you don't have to be so precise, just get them down. Once they're in place, I'm gonna move on to taping this. Use electrical tape if you have it, because I didn't. And now that I think about it, that's probably why I had to replace mine so soon. This is where it tried to play me. Like, imagine I would have broke it. Oh my God, it would have been over. Okay, but moving on. Now it's time to put this bad boy back up and give it a go. Please test your lights before you get to this point, because I would have been big mad if it didn't want to light up. Like imagine I did all this and the lights were like defective. Just test your lights. But okay, as you can see here, now it's time to work on placement. And I didn't know if I wanted to put everything back exactly where it was. Like I was kind of getting tired of it like that, but I am a creature of habit, so I kind of just picked up where I left off. I'm pretty much just trying to see if I like it there. And then putting my perfumes and little stuff like that back down. And overall, this project was like really fun and easy. Like you don't have to spend top dollar to have the things that you want. I am like the budget queen. I swear I can do anything with the DIY. So hopefully I get to like make some more videos like this with little stuff that I did around my house. But for now, I'm almost done. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.